This course will help you lead your students through their first week of growing on your soilless gardening system. We suggest you start on Monday to plant seeds and build the system. By Friday, the seedlings should be ready to place in the system for the weekend. We suggest you watch the course from start to finish before you begin the process. Materials needed: a soilless growing system with lights, rock wool cubes, nutrient, pH balance, pH test kit, seedling tray, gallon milk jug or equivalent, seed packets of lettuce. Black-seeded Simpson, bok choy, or arugula will germinate quickly and are easy to grow. On Monday, plan for a 1-hour class period. Fill a gallon container with unsoftened water from the same source you'll use for the tower garden. Ask students what 3 elements are important for plants to grow well outdoors. The answer is sun, water, nutrient. Most students will respond dirt, but plants only need the nutrient that is in the soil. Ask students how we'll replace those elements for indoor growing. The answer is sun from the light kit, water from the faucet, nutrient comes with the system. Explain to students that the tower is an aeroponic growing system. Hydroponic systems have the roots always in the water. Aquaponic systems have the roots always in the water, but fish are raised in the water. Aeroponic systems have the roots hanging in the air.